Nearly 1 billion people live without access to electricity. The only way to get people sufficient access is to create local solutions. Capture connects people to reliable, clean energy. There are also 3.5 billion people who are connected to a grid but receive unreliable power. Globally, this means that in our world of 8 billion people, over 45% live without reliable power.
The world calls it blackouts, but for us, it is business as usual. We spend half of our income in fuel for generators. It used to be kerosene, now it's diesel. $200 monthly. Half of my income goes to fuel. I know people with respiratory illnesses from the fumes.
We believe that capture can benefit people who are currently living off-grid or under the grid worldwide. Increasingly, this includes people and places that are affected by major climate storms and extreme weather events. The United Nations has identified that despite their potential, renewable energy solutions as the progress in electrification has slowed because of the challenge of accurately reflecting the needs and reaching those in remote areas. Capture is an automated energy assessment and management tool accessible from anywhere in the world. Capture increases energy access by providing a reliable decision-making framework to homeowners, drives investment in clean energy to remote areas, connects people with self-determined clean energy solutions with the goal of accelerating a decentralized and democratized energy ecosystem. Our vision is a new green ecosystem where energy access is self-determined. Our mission is composed of 3 parts. First is an assessment tool that automates the assessment of off-grid energy needs in a simple remote way. Next is an off-grid marketplace, and then a mapping system. So how does capture work? We determine the energy demands of a household by collecting information from the built environment in places where there is insufficient data available. The assessment tool, property type, location, and in each stage we seek the consent of the user, and this feeds back into how the data is processed. With this information, energy needs are calculated through our assessment tool. The results are received in minutes, and users have an understanding of their current energy use, sufficient energy use, considering modern standards and potential production based on location. Next is the off-grid marketplace, where they're made aware of their energy solutions with the benefits of renewable solutions. Next is the mapping system. As an app, Capture adds value by providing each person with a personal energy story, accessible anytime, anywhere, even in remote areas, with an understanding of each production solution in relation to the other, drives investment and funds with the goal of self-sufficiency. The impact is the 45% of people that are currently not connected, and as more people are reached, this is captured by the data mapping component of Capture, as areas and potential can be identified. We've established strong community ties around the world, especially a community partner, Chukwudi, in Nigeria. This is a snapshot of interviews, and with each, we have identified key aspects as a way to fine-tune our solution and launch. Our team is comprised of 3. Gal Ringel, a postdoc associate at MIT and a senior partner, Sola Ajenka, a Masters of Architecture candidate at MIT, and Lizzie Wyant, the Deputy Executive Director of Public Affairs and Advocacy at MAPC. We believe that Capture will reflect the already existing shift in the energy sector from a centralized model of large-scale power plants to a decentralized model, and will empower the positive contribution of renewable energy to global electricity access. Thank you.